The Milanese sun bathes the city in gold as I stroll through the Quadrilatero della Moda, Milan's iconic fashion district. Vespas buzz past, heels clatter on cobblestones, and the air is alive with the scent of espresso and expensive perfume. People from around the world are drawn here by the magnetic pull of high fashion. Every window is a portal, each display a silent story told in color and light. The city's top brands compete not just on the runway, but in these glass boxes. I head toward Via Montenapoleone, the heart of this fashion wonderland. The street itself is a runway. Bright colors, bold patterns, and a celebration of self-expression. Even walking here feels like being part of a grand performance. The windows are opening scenes promising tales of glamour and innovation. Milan understands the power of a first impression. They must be perfect, captivating, and make you dream. As I continue my walk, I'm ready to be enchanted and see what stories the great fashion houses are telling for summer 2025. Here, fashion transcends clothing and becomes pure art. This is more than shopping, it's a pilgrimage for lovers of beauty. The energy is infectious, inspiring confidence and artistry. First, Prada's window is an underwater world. Mannequins float in shimmering fabrics surrounded by sculpted coral and lights, a tranquil dreamscape in aquamarine and silver. Next, Gucci's window, a celestial garden, a midnight sky, twinkling stars and oversized flowers. Mannequins pose among velvet petals, dressed in embroidered constellations. The colors are deep and opulent. Prada's display invites you to find peace. Gucci's urges you to dream. Both windows are art, igniting imagination. Prada's calm and Gucci's fantasy offer visions for summer 2025. One looks to the ocean, the other to the cosmos. Both celebrate creativity's power. Fashion here is storytelling. The artistry is extraordinary. These windows are Milan's magic. They remind us why fashion matters. Both inspire wonder. This is window display art at its best. At Versace, the window explodes with volcanic energy. Black rocks, molten gold, and fiery red. Mannequins stand like deities, dressed in vibrant prints and sharp silhouettes, the Medusa head gleaming in gold. It's a visual roar, bold, primal, and unapologetic. Just steps away, Michael Kors offers a serene gilded oasis. The display glows with golden light, shimmering sand, and a brass palm tree. Mannequins lounge in flowing white dresses and chic swimwear, golden accessories gleaming. Versace's story is power and passion, harnessing the energy of a volcano. Michael Kors's is sophisticated leisure, a dream of tranquil luxury. Each window is a world reflecting the brand's core identity. Versace is dynamic and thrilling, a celebration of drama. Michael Kors is calming and aspirational, inviting you to imagine a life of quiet elegance. Both capture the essence of summer in completely different ways. One sees summer as wild energy, the other as peaceful escape. This diversity makes Milan's fashion district endlessly fascinating. The storytelling is masterful, each display unforgettable. The contrasts are striking, yet both are pure Milan. Here, fashion is emotion, energy, and escape. The windows are invitations to dream. Milan's creativity is on full display. As I admire these displays, Milan's unique soundtrack surrounds me. Tram bells, laughter from cafes, and the murmur of many languages fill the air. The city is a living, breathing entity, never silent, always vibrant. A sports car's roar, the flutter of pigeons, a street musician's accordion, each adds to the urban melody. The life of the street is as captivating as the fashion in the windows. Every passerby is a character in Milan's grand play. The audience and the performance blend together, enriching the experience. The city's pulse is strong, driving the rhythm of the day. The interplay between curated windows and chaotic streets is what makes Milan special. Displays stand out against the urban backdrop, moments of beauty in the bustle. The sounds don't detract, they enhance. This art isn't in a museum, it's woven into daily life. Milan's windows are for everyone, inspiring and accessible. The symphony of the streets is the perfect accompaniment. Here, fashion and life are inseparable. As the sun fades, I enter the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. Golden light streams through the glass roof, illuminating mosaics and elegant facades. The energy softens, the transition from day to evening is magical. I sit at a cafe, espresso in hand, watching the Galleria's central octagon. The sky turns indigo, lanterns glow, and the boutique's windows shine even brighter. Reflections in the glass merge fashion with architecture. This is the heart of Milan, a monument to beauty, commerce, and history. Generations have walked these mosaic floors, dreamed and celebrated here. The Galleria is the city's living room, where past and present meet. The aroma of coffee, the hum of conversation, and the visual spectacle create perfect harmony. As I finish my coffee, I take in the unforgettable view. The dome's ironwork is silhouetted against the last light. The glowing windows are jewels in the grand architecture. This is Milan art, fashion and history intertwined. The memory of this evening will stay with me forever.